can only see the strange behind the scenes stuff I often go through.
May I have your attention, please?
I read this odd article today. I know things like housing prices is a big issue here, like around the Vancouver area. It's just so expensive. This one says, Vancouver's cheapest real estate listing right now is $50K parking spot. I guess that's supposed to like poke fun at the issue a little bit. Makes me wonder if you could actually live there. Although funny enough, this costs $50,000. I know people who drive cars into this downtown area. The parking is so expensive. Like you could literally pay like what, $15 for a few hours? So maybe you can make your investment back pretty quick with this, funny enough. And then I read this, where I guess if it's not about things like safety and stuff with flying a drone, it's about the noise. Here it says, obnoxious drone noise to get national review as hobby pilots. Google face crackdown. Growing anger about noisy drones has prompted a national review into remote flying by both commercial and recreational pilots. A statement from Deputy Prime Minister Michael McCormick confirmed that while the government had been considering noise issues since March, it now intends to complete a formal review by the end of the year. The review will consider the community noise impact of drone operations, the size, frequency, and nature of drone operations, and existing safety regulations administered by the Civil Aviation Safety Authority, it stated. The Department of Infrastructure quietly updated its website this week, claiming it has, quote, formed the view that a range of drone operations require noise approvals following community backlash to a Canberra trial. Basically that delivery for things like the coffee and stuff like that we read before. It makes me wonder for like here, we have all those restrictions where certain drones can fly near over people. Are we gonna have something saying this one you can fly basically X time because it has like low noise level or whatever? It also says here, it will also look at developments overseas and industry innovation to reduce noise impacts through better drone design and operations, including varying flight plans. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. I guess it does make sense. Like if you're flying, let's say a super loud drone or something like that in a neighborhood at 2 a.m. in the morning, right above people's houses, that I can understand. But when people say just ban them because of the noise, like in my opinion, if you say that, then make it true for everything else. A guy mowing their lawn, using a weed whacker, for example, I mean, they should all come under the same scrutiny, so to speak. Alright, see you guys later.